Judith Hibbs, Conway, South Carolina. It was very informative. I've considered stem cell therapy for a few years. I basically try a lot of alternative medicines. I'm not a fan of conventional medicine. I don't like taking pills, but I do have a lot of, I'm diabetic, I have high cholesterol, I have thyroid issues, so I take a lot of pills, but I also take a lot of vitamin supplements. I do have a hip problem that I've been managing through chiropractic and massage, and I have arthritis in my hands. So those things I would like to address. He's the first person that has really explained this to me in depth, and I've learned a lot about this therapy from him. I think if the government stays out of this, it'll go far.